You asked about PESTEL, and even though in the ACCA's March 2024 SBL Pre-seen information, there isn't enough information to apply PESTEL, I get this question. You are asking this because the examiner clearly mentions that this is a regularly examined model. And yes, PESTEL is important. It's important to understand it. So what are you going to do if in the exhibits you have enough information for PESTEL and you have a requirement that requires you to use PESTEL? Well, you are going to think about how each macro-environmental factor is going to affect athletic trans central. For example, if you are given information about the demographics of the average football player and also the demographics of the Kyle Land or Warsha in general, you are going to say that, for example, the usual football fan is between the ages of 18 and 40. We don't know that. We assume that you are given this in the exhibits. And say that in another exhibit or in the same exhibit, you are given the fact that the population in Kyle Land is aging. And in that case, you are going to say that the aging population might be a problem for football clubs, and in this case, Athletic Trans Central, because older males are not that interested in football. Again, we are all making this up. It will depend on the exhibit. So the important thing is to understand how each macro-environmental factor is going to affect the organization in our case, which is Athletic Trans Central.